What up? We're back with another video. I know I've been slacking with my YouTube channel, but life, simple as that. I've been all over the place. But we're back. Hopefully with a few videos. A friend hit me up last week that he needed help case swapping his Mazda. So it's a good time to show you guys how simple it is to do this swap. I think I'm gonna do it in parts: engine, axles. I don't know. We'll see what videos come up with that. And so let's get started.
If you want to tighten that nut up as far as you can by hand.
That is as far as it goes.
Well,
Hey, do you have the other little bracket for this one?
What?
The bracket that goes from here to here?
I don't think we ever had one.
No?
Mm-mm.
Alright. Remind me I have one at home.
Did it come? Well, it's supposed to have one?
No, because you know what? You were one of the first ones who bought them, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't have that bracket.
Yeah.
Does it fit that setup?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get it for you later.
So we want these coolant lines. We want fuel lines up here out the way. But we want these coolant lines.
Oh, you guys have shit. This down already.
Oh, we've done this like 30 times. Fuck, the FS is in the way. I could drag it over.
Oh, the engine?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that one?
Well, because we're going to have to put the car forward.
Scoot the cherry picker over with the box.
With the motor?
Yeah. Once it's up in the air, all you have to do is slide
Oh,
the
yeah,
box.
yeah, yeah.
I want to say this weighs more than an FS.
Lighter?
I think so.
Yeah. I think so.
Okay, so now that we got the bar, is that right there? Oh, it's over there.
Oh, look. You also had chrome here.
Oh, okay. Go to that side. This one will fall.
What are you trying to do?
Just scoot it over. Oh, hold on. Let me stand over here. Okay. Got enough?
I think we need a little more.
Okay, good. Give it.
Because we're going to have to roll the car forward.
Oh.
And I just don't want it to hit the FS. We do shit really ghetto around here.
Hey, if it works.
That's why I'm saying this is perfect video, because it's like, these guys are fucking ghetto as
Where
shit.
is the alternator for this?
It's finally happening, bro.
Finally.
For 10 years.
10 years. Now, I know this motor runs. I just can't guarantee it doesn't leak oil, but I think it'll be fine.
And one way to find out.
Even if it does, it's fine. But I mean, you can feel the shifter. It doesn't feel fucked up. Random.
Okay, start turning left below. Over. Why don't you come out here and let's start lowering it down and see.
Okay. You want me to do them down, or do you want me to do it?
I can let it down.
Here, I'll hold it down.
You hold this way because the differential's right up against your master cylinder.
Go ahead. How are we on that side?
It's good.
Okay.
Keep going.
Should I maybe set this bracket in?
No.
Okay.
You got to get it lower than
That bracket.
Then the
that
bracket,
mount's
and then
gotta
it
go
comes up.
lower than the frame.
Yeah.
Should have
I
listened.
thought. What is that?
Should have listened to you.
We ready?
Yeah, go ahead. I think we're good. I mean, we're hitting AC lines, but we'll be fine.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, that mount's got to go down.
It's got to go under.
Yep.
Yeah. What we can do is remove the bracket and set the mount on the chassis, and then move your chain. Once you put that mount over there,
Yeah.
we can set this on the chassis here,
Okay.
and then grab it from somewhere else, and then put back the bracket.
We could even put a jack under the motor jacked up.
That too. Yeah, but
let's-
once you just the hair.
And then, like, I wonder if I could, if I push the car forward while we hold the motor over, maybe get that slotted on there.
We'll take that thing out too.
What thing? This?
Yeah.
I mean, if we need to. Okay. Alright, brakes down.
That's good.
Right there.
It needs to come this way.
Yeah. That it does.
Well, now it needs to come forward and then swing over because it's hitting that rear mount bracket. So we'll go like that.
No, there you go.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And then it needs to come over there more.
Yeah.
Okay, make you put some pressure on it. I kind of have it a little cockeyed there.
Where's
Maybe we put a jack underneath the transmission and lift it a little.
It's this easy. You can case swap at home.
That's simple. We're almost there.
No, this
Barely.
actually isn't that bad.
23 minutes.
Well, that's how long until we started trying to put it in.
What's that?
pop the brake?
Hold up.
I think it's just rocks and shit, dude.
No.
From under the engine. And I can always push the jack or the dolly forward, or we can bring the car forward a little bit, maybe.
Right there.
Right there. Bam. Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. Okay. So should I maybe try seeing what
Yeah,
happens?
right there. You can drop it now.
Cluster foot.
Okay, let's go down and see what happens.
Go slow.
Nice slow.
Here, hold up. Alright.
We're damn near there, honestly.
Drop it and then that'll sit. Or try to pull that bracket, whichever's.
I can probably put this on now.
Okay.
Yeah. I can find out what bolts I was using. Was I really using two different sizes?
Yeah, one's longer than the others.
Yeah, I really liked that it came with hardware. Everything you need.
Yeah, and now they offer color
That's what you were
options.
saying.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I like it the way it is.
I don't know. There's something about me that I love red.
Red's nice. It's too bad they didn't make any red speeds.
Right.
So how many kits have you sold so far for the motor mount brackets?
About 53.
That's good. More the merrier. Yeah, where's that? Let me see that.
Yeah, and I bought about 3 of them back
For what?
from people that bought for on the first batch. They think it's too hard to do, so they'd rather sell the kit than.
Over a little or what?
No, it's just that one of the bolts is like supposed to be long and the other one's not. And I think
The short one goes up there.
up here.
Yep.
That's the way I had it, and this one stopped. I thought they were both short.
No, one.
No, see how if you look, it has the gap on the bottom.
Oh, I'm
See,
wrong. The
so
short
this
one
is
goes
short, this is long.
there. My bad. Can you lose the washer? Not the best lighting in here, but
No,
Yeah.
it's good.
Now 4K movie quality stuff, but
No.
we're getting her done.
This is just how normal people here, man.
It's good enough for now. And then you said put this one in?
Yep.
Can we go over a little bit? And that needs to go, I want to say, back. Pretty good far amount.
what are you talking about? The holes are right there.
I can't see them.
Right there.
This one too?
Yep.
There's no hole.
That's where it goes.
There's no hole.
Nah, it needs to go back a little.
Yeah, because there's two holes that are right
Yeah.
next to each other.
We gotta get this mount. See, let's try to get the back one in.
Okay,
It will
where's
align
that, the motor mount bolt that you said you found?
The motor bolt. Right. One of those ones.
Okay, that should work. Yeah. So we can get this rear one in and we're golden. So we're off pretty far. Okay.
You know what I just realized?
What?
The rear one, if they use an AWR,
Yeah.
it's thinner than the OEM one.
Oh, as far as like inside
Yeah,
of it?
good thing that I'm helping you here, or not helping you, but recording this, because I was actually planning. I thought I made that too wide, because on the AWR you have about half an inch, or no, not half an inch, probably a quarter of a gap.
Hello.
There you
We're
go.
in. Except, is that too long? The bolt?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
that's fine for now.
Yeah, we'll set
You
the other
can
ones.
run the bolt back the other way as you're pulling that one out.
Right.
Correct. Yeah. Once we put the side ones, they should line up.
Yeah.
How does that look?
You need the magnet.
Looks great.
Here, Trevor.
For what? Oh, for the.
That
For the
bolt.
bolt.
I don't even know where it is though, that's the problem.
Well, when
I'll
you
just drop it. We'll get it from another, or jack it up with a jack, so we can get the bracket in here. There you
we
go.
gotta undo the.
Yeah, most likely.
I mean, you can use the jack to jack the motor.
Correct.
Good enough for now.
Get your motor mount bolt. Pretty much right there. It technically could go that way a little and be
And also loosen this one up a little so you can have that movement. Just a hair.
So,
Tying that up. There you have it.
It's in. Where is the nut and washer for this one?
I don't know, I blew it apart over here. And,
56 minutes.
How much?
56 minutes.
So 1 hour. We got it in. Cool. Yeah, it'd have been faster if we.
bolted in and can be undone.
Yep. Now it's just your axles, harness, radiator. Run it.
Yeah. So you were saying the stock radiator core hose.
P5, yeah. Yep.
Okay, so that'll work, and then these coolant hoses will work,
Yep.
and then
Your exhaust will work. Just your downpipe.
yep. But I have a guy for that.
Yep.
So I'll get that. Let me see your vape, please.
And like I said, from here to here.
Yep.
See
And then
that
that
goes?
goes right here.
Right there.
Yep.
Battery's gone dead on the.
Battery wherever you want it. All right. There you have it.